The scene more than 24 hours on, of a tragedy that unfolded in a matter of minutes. Just after lunchtime on Christmas Eve, a 9-year-old British girl somehow got into difficulties while swimming in an unsupervised pool at this popular Spanish resort. It's believed that first her 16-year-old brother and then her 52-year-old father jumped into the water to try to rescue her, but soon all three family members were in serious trouble. Emergency services were called, but by the time they arrived, all three were found unresponsive in the water. Club La Costa World on the Costa del Sol has 21 swimming pools at the resort, some bigger than others. But Spanish poolside regulations mean a lifeguard is only required when a pool is bigger than 200 metres squared, slightly smaller than the size of a tennis court. One of the resort's lifeguards, who didn't want to be named, spoke to Sky News.
I've been working here 14 years. I am the lifeguard, okay? I'm so upset about what happened yesterday.
Do you think that if there was a lifeguard there yesterday, the three people would be alive?
Of course, 100%.
Many of the other pools on the site are deserted. Guests are too scared to take a dip. Dennis and his family come to this resort 3 times a year. He's been a member at this club for over 2 decades.
How could it happen? How does something like this happen anywhere? But when this really hits home when you're here, it really is a struggle to take in, really. It's just on your mind as soon as you wake up this morning. As soon as you wake up, it's on your mind, So, yeah, it's going to go on for a few days, but as I say, our hearts are with the families, really, and, what they must feel like, I really don't know. Terrible. Absolutely terrible.
CLC World Resorts say the Spanish authorities carried out a full investigation, which found no concern in relation to the pool where these people died. They say this was just a tragic accident. This is a family who went on a holiday promising escape from the British winter weather, but now the mother, who's believed to have raised the alarm, is receiving specialist care from Spanish authorities before she comes back to the UK. Inzamam Rashid, Sky News.